Hello everyone, welcome to AVID. This is Miss Jamie. I'm going to be showing you how to set up your e-binder for this school year. So you're going to go to Google Drive, right? If you don't know how to go to that, from any Google page on a new tab in your browser, you can click on these little boxes and you can go to Drive. And you should be able to see all of your work, right? And usually it's kind of a mess. If you look at mine, I have a million random things in here. So our goal here is going to be to create a binder to help us organize digitally everything that we do this year in every class. So I'm actually going to do it in my own AVID elective class folder, right? You can do it as part of your drive. The nice thing is you can actually see your binder. Actually, I will do it in Drive so I can see it there. So you're going to go to New Folder. You're going to call it your name, AVID Binder 2017-2018. Create. Okay, and if you notice, if you go ahead and open up your drive over here, you're going to see all the folders that you've created. So now you can easily go to your binder. It's empty, right? Inside your binder, you're going to want to create a folder for each class. So you're going to have a science folder. You could call it specifically the class that you're in. Biology, physical science, chemistry, right? I would do that personally just so that you know what this material is. You're going to create one for math. Maybe you're in geometry. You're going to create one for social studies, etc., right? For every single one of your classes. I'm not going to show me making the folder 9 times, but you get the concept. Then you're going to open each class and you're going to make a cover page, so a Google Doc. And you're going to call this Google Doc, you're going to call it math, maybe it's geometry, whatever it is, geometry cover page. In this cover page, this is where you're going to link all of your assignments that you turn in to your math class. So for example, some courses, the assignments are numbered, right? Some of them are called different things. So one of your assignments might be called using right triangles, something like that, right? And you're going to want to link your notes here as well. So you're basically going to make a list of every single thing that you use for geometry. So we'll start off, you might even organize, you might have a cover page for notes and a cover page for assignments. That's going to be up to you. But you might call this notes, using right triangles. And here, you're actually going to link to your notes page, which could be a picture that you took of your notes, could be a different Google Doc called using right triangles, that's your notes. I'm going to do another video specifically about linking assignments in your cover page, but the nice thing about this is that now when you go to your cover page, everything is going to be listed here for your class, right? And you're going to be able to actually quickly find something. Let's say you're going to redo an assignment. You can come here and you can easily scroll through and find it. You need to find all your notes. All of them are linked right there. The last thing you're going to do before you finish your binder, because this is really easy, is you're actually going to right-click on your binder, right? Make sure it's the binder, not each folder. And you're going to go to Share, and you're going to type in all of your teachers, right? So I'm going to share this with Mr. Ling because he's also teaching AVID, right? I'm going to share this with Miss Christina because she is also going to need to know about AVID, etc. And I'm just going to send that I shared it with them, right? They might be like, what? But now those teachers are going to have access to every single thing that I put in my binder. And I'm not going to have to worry about sharing it with them, sharing the folders with the teachers, etc. It's just shared with everybody. Now, if you want to get clever here, you can change the color of your folders, right? So you can make them look nice. Just get some nice colors going here. Well, I don't want to have a brown binder, a pink binder, right? So you can make the colors for the folders. That might help you recognize, okay, red is math. And basically you're just going to go into each one of these folders, and this is where you're going to create your assignments and your notes. And like I said, we're going to go through another video about how to specifically link to that cover page. So by the end of this video, you're going to be turning in a screenshot of the fact that you created a binder that says your name, AVID Binder 2017-2018. It has all the folders for all of your classes. You might even want to make an AVID folder. I would, because we are going to do quite a bit of work in this class, and you're going to want a place to store that. You're going to want to make sure that your folder is shared with your appropriate teachers, right? So you can come in here and you can see who it's shared with already. Shared with Christina Strukban and John Ling. Okay, so make sure it's shared, and then make sure that in each folder for your classes you have created a cover page. And you might even want to call this cover page Semester 1, right? Just because you will eventually have 2 semesters for this class. Okay, so that's how you're going to create your e-binder. You're going to take a screenshot of the name of your binder with all the folders here, and one of your folders, I want you to take a screenshot that you have a cover page in the folder. Right, I will also post those directions in words because I know that's kind of confusing.